Creating a unique, right experience for your customers could be challenging at times. It takes a lot of efforts, time, energy, money, and resources to reach out to your right audience and at the same time convert them into your customers. And it becomes very painful when your customer leaves you and does not make the repeat purchase and sales. In this video, I'll be talking about a very powerful technique through which you'll be able to create a unique experience for your customer with ease and joy. So if you are any of the person who face such challenge, just say yes on the comment box. Awesome. Let me take you through that strategy. So in this video, I'll talk about two things. One is the mindset and second is the strategy. Under the mindset section, as you can see, to create a unique experience, you need to first understand two important mindsets. First mindset is a commodity business mindset, and second mindset is an experience business mindset. What does it mean? So commodity business mindset is something like we are selling just a coffee, and it could be a plain vanilla mug with the real ingredients in it. Whereas an experience-based business makes the same commodity into a different kind of experience. So what happens is, instead of serving the plain vanilla coffee, you create a unique touch around it. And the moment you start stacking experiences around a commodity, you get into an experience business. In today's world, it is really important that you start moving towards an experience-based business and create unique experiences for your customers. Now, why is it important? Because under a commodity business, you will not be able to charge high prices, because your product would be a homogeneous product which even your competitor might have been serving, and you might not be able to stand out. And secondly, you won't be able to retain your customers, because that specific customer will be coming to you just for prices. And if the prices are offered differently with offers at somewhere else, they will go over there. Whereas if you go into an experience-based business, not only you will be able to charge high prices, but also you will be able to create a customer loyalty, a high customer relationship which will get you repeat customers. And not only that, they will also refer your products and services. So that is why it is required that you go out of the commodity business and move to the experience-based business. Start stacking experiences from the product, and don't just offer a commodity. Offer a pack, a bundle, a stack of experiences that is unique to your customer. Now, there's one interesting fact that I want to put over here is that 80% of the customers make a repeat purchase based on the first impression. Right. So if you want to build a strong connection, you will have to create a unique experience. And this experience should be with ease and joy, because I understand that there are so many elements in the business, and few things that needs to be automated is one of these areas. You need to automate your customer experiences. And in this video, I'll be talking about the best strategy that you can use to automate your customer experiences. Moving forward, let's come to these strategies. So as I'm talking about this strategy, you can use digital products to create unique experiences. How? So why digital products? Digital products are important in terms of lead generation and creating experiences because of the following reason. First, it can help you generate new leads. Not only digital products will help you create a first impression, a unique experience, it will also help you create new leads. Secondly, it will showcase your expertise. So let's take it an example over here. Say for example, if you are into a coaching and if you are like a health coach, so if you create a cheat sheet, say for example, or a guide with a diet curriculum and you serve it to your customers free of cost, then it will really not it will create not only a unique experience which we are talking about, but will also you be able to establish your expertise. In today's online business, people, the market leaders have mastered the skill of not only creating leads but also to establish their authority and expertise through digital products. Thirdly, as the digital products production cost is very low, you can create multiple of them. And these digital products are a long-term assets. That is that they don't have any wear and tear cost. You can, they will always be there on the online platform, on the virtual web 24 by 7 and 12 months around the year for entire years for there. And lastly, these digital products are very much scalable. Unlike physical products, you will not have to repeatedly produce this goods or products. You just need to create it one time and it can be replicated multiple times. Like for example, if you make a PDF document of the diet chart, you will just have to make it once and then you can just replicate it again and again, or the customer can download it again and again through the given platform. So that is why a digital product is a really powerful tool to create a unique experience. Now let me give you a few ideas of how you can use digital products to get lead magnets and create a unique experiences. So there are 7 ideas that I will be giving you in this video. First is mini online course. You can create a mini online course which will give an instant value. Like for example, going along with the health coach, a mini online course can be created, like for example a 3-day challenge where a health coach can help you improve your say water intake capacities or your health or your exercise routine. So that will give an immediate impact to the customers. Like for example, an health expert can work on gastric problems and he can give like a small 5 days challenge wherein following the routine they'll be able to remove the gastric problem from their systems, and this would be like an immediate benefit. A person will be able to see immediately within a period of 5 days. So that's the power of mini course. So this will not only establish expertise, authority, but would also create a very good impression and experience. Second, you can use a worksheet. Now worksheet could be like a document, a PDF document or a Word document which has practical exercises for a specific problem. So you can give like a specific problem and you can direct them what are the steps that you need to do with the guide and action plans, and you can put it on free for your customers. Third is you can create a resource list. A resource list is basically a collection of all the tools that a person can use. Like for example, if you are into digital marketing, you can give, or a health coach, so you can give links to the exercises, the equipments used for exercises, or the products that are required for the health, or you can give the list of the important applications for tracking your health, your heart rates and all. So that is how you can like create an extensive list of all the tools that a customer can use, which will save a lot of time for them if they go otherwise anywhere on their personal net. Fourthly, you can create a guide. Now a guide is a small practical lesson or a concept plan that gives instant value. So whatever problem that you select, you can use your expertise, your experience, and define your consulting or your expertise over there, and make a guide structure of it, wherein you elaborately give like 2 steps, 3 steps, or 4 steps process to solve a specific problem. And then once you prepare this guide, you can like pass it on to your customers, wherein they can see and take an experience of it. Fifthly, you can create a checklist. Now basically for all the you can keep your customers organized and structured also. So for a long project kind of structure, or a long tutorial kind of way, you can like give them a checklist wherein they can keep a track of all the activities that they are doing, and which will also keep them organized. This is a really valuable content that you can add to your digital products. Sixth is you can add a free demo. So what you can do is, for your products and services, you can give a free trial, and through that and the free trial could be through a video or personal session, through which you take them through the structure, or it could be like a free recorded video or anything that gives a demo of your products and services. Seventhly, you can create templates. Now there are few tools or few drafts or materials which are frequently used by your customers. You can identify those specific things and you can create templates so that they don't have to figure out how things they are done. Like for example, you can create templates of email or headlines or post or important dates or anything specific. So you can go creative around it, and you can build these 7 type of digital products, and this will help you not only create a unique experience but get people into your business. It will make more leads for your business. Isn't that awesome? So if you have liked it so far, just write below which of the lead magnet or which of the digital product you will use for your products and services. I'll personally see them and comment on it. Great. Now the second thing is, I'll give you a very practical exercise which you can start doing right away and create your products. So it's time that you start doing things differently. And how you can do it? There are 4 steps to it. First step is that you identify the problem of your customer. So once you identify all the problems that your customer faces, you have to just minimize it. You take a piece of that problem and one element of that problem, and you can make a digital content around it. Like for example, for the health coach, if the weight loss is a product, then under weight loss there could be like multiple elements like light exercises, routines, nutrition, all those areas. So you can like focus on one specific element like exercises, and you can create a digital content around it. Now it could be like a mini course, worksheet, guide, checklist, demo, templates, anything. So once you've identified the problem of your customer, second thing that you have to do is choose the type of digital product. So from the above list, you can select any of one digital product that you want to create. Once you have identified that digital product, now start using your expertise into that digital product. So now here is your knowledge and expertise come into play. You identify what is the solution that you can offer, and you portray it into a digital product. Once you do it, you save it, and then you start offering it as a bundle of your goods and services. So like the moment they inquire now for your services, what you can do is you can push them these free services. People, it is really proved that the moment a customer comes in and they inquire about you, if they get a free resource from you, they get very happy, and that sets a very good tune for your business. And if that resource is a valuable resource which helps him or her solve a specific problem or gives value to a person, then he will definitely definitely have a higher chances of getting him converted. Isn't that awesome? Great. So For all those people who really want to retain their customers, get more leads, and remove this painful process of customer retention, start creating digital products. And through digital products, you will be able to manifest new customers and make good customer experiences.